आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान, छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब पे छलांग। आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान, अरे छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब पे छलांग। मरवाएगा तू पिटवाएगा तू, मत कर मत कर मत कर मत कर, घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो मेहमान। अरे घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो मेहमान। हो पचरंगी पोशाक पहन तू कौन गांव से आयो, तू पटना से या बाड़न से या पटियाला से आयो। पचरंगी पोशाक पहन तू कौन गांव से आयो, तू पटना से या बाड़न से या पटियाला से आयो। तेरा नाम तो होगा भाया रे जो स्कूल में था लिखवाया रे। तेरा नाम तो होगा भाया रे जो स्कूल में था लिखवाया रे। तेरा कोई पता तो होगा राशन कार्ड, अरे बादल चीर के टपका तू या आया घर तू फाड़। मरवाएगा तू पिटवाएगा तू, मत कर मत कर मत कर मत कर, घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो मेहमान। घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो
Good evening, friends. I hope you enjoyed that. Yes or no? The kids have been practicing for the last 1.5 months. They put in a lot of effort. Imagine dancing to music where you don't understand the words. It's not that easy. Can you please put on the presentation? This is the Rotary Youth Exchange Program, as all of you know. And I'll just briefly talk about what the RYE program. I think many of you here already participate in the RYE program year after year. There are many clubs out of the 135, 140 odd clubs from this district who don't participate in the RYE program at all, who have never participated. And I hope the presidents, the WOW presidents who are here, will see this presentation today and be motivated to participate in the RYE program in the coming years. It's one of the most fabulous programs of Rotary International. As you can see that this year we have 20 kids from all over the world, from 7 countries, and I will introduce you to them at the end of this program, at the end of this segment. But I will just talk briefly about the RYE program. Creating young ambassadors for world peace. That's what the RYE program does. Rotary Youth Exchange is Rotary International Student Exchange Program. Today we'll talk about the long-term exchange program, which is for 1 year, where we receive children from another country and we send our children to another country, and they stay with 3 or 4 host families. And those of you who have hosted know the fantastic experience of playing a host family. There are about 9,000 students who are sponsored by Rotary clubs every year, and this is the largest youth exchange program in the world. Rotary can be truly proud of the largest youth exchange program in the world. So there are 3 programs. The long-term exchange program, which I spoke about, ages 15 to 19 years, 1-year duration, which includes schooling. Short-term exchange, which is about 15 to 19 years, for 4 to 6 weeks, homestays, youth camps, tours, and short-term exchange, new generation exchange, 19 to 25 years, which is a new generation exchange, which is also for about 4 to 6 weeks. So long-term exchanges last for 1 year, during which the student attends school and stays with the host family in the country that they are hosted in. All these 20 students who we have in District 3140 are staying with, they have already stayed with 20 families, they moved to the 2nd family, and in February they'll be moving to the 3rd or 4th family. The idea of this program is to gain a greater understanding of the culture, where they will live with at least 2, preferably 3 host families during their stay. To ensure safety, the host Rotary Club conscientiously screens and selects host families. In our district, to be a host family, we have home visits of the host family, as well as we have a police verification process to ensure that all host families are completely safe for the exchange students. Short-term exchange, like I said, is 15 to 19 years, and it varies in length from several days to several weeks. And you would not attend school in this program. It's more like a 6 weeks holiday, but you go and have a cultural exchange. You stay with the family. You go and see the workplace of your parents, or your host brother, host sister. And it's a fantastic program. We have about 20 students who would be going in this particular year for short-term exchange. The new generations exchanges usually last from few weeks to 3 months, making this a suitable option for recent secondary school graduates, young professionals, and Rotaractors. These exchanges may be arranged for individuals or groups and involve homestays, tours, or camps. Exchanges can also include a vocational element, and some districts offer specialized internships depending on where your exchange takes place. And new generation exchange provide the opportunity to learn about a different culture while fostering goodwill and understanding. So what are the objectives of RYE? Who is eligible and what does the student get? Promote international goodwill and understanding, like I said, to enable students in a different environment for a year, to broaden one's outlook. The eligibility is minimum standard 10th with average marks. We don't say, when we mean average, we mean about 60 to 70%. You don't have to be a brilliant student. And pleasant and outgoing personality, and confidence to fit in the role of an ambassador. Good command over English, and ability and desire to learn a new language. Rotarians' children are eligible, but receive no special preference. This year, in our district, we have received about 31 applications for long-term, which is, I think, the highest ever applications received in our district. And we'll be sending about 20 to 21 students abroad. So this is the first time that District 3140 will be selecting the applications received and be sending a lesser number of students than what applications have been received. The benefits of Rotary Youth Exchange are many. I myself was a Rotary Youth Exchange student long-term. In 1981-82, I went to USA, Pennsylvania. And I can tell you all these benefits which are listed here are absolutely true from first-hand experience. And I think this is the first time in District 3140, a past RY student, that is me, has become an Rotary Youth Exchange chair, and thanks to Ajay Gupta for that, for giving me this opportunity. Learns to be tolerant, obedient, and more responsible, builds self-confidence and self-belief, broadens outlook, opportunity to learn a new language, experience a different school system, builds close relationships and lifetime friends across the globe. I still, when I go back to USA, even after 33 years, I go and visit my host parents, my host families, my host sister, my host brother, and these are relationships which you build for a lifetime. Get opportunity to clear misconceptions about India in the minds of people. Many people abroad think India is about snake charmers and elephants on the road. It's true, we do have snake charmers, we do have elephants, but we don't have them on the roads in Mumbai. And there are many misconceptions that people have, even though we have now the information age. You know, people still have many old misconceptions about India. And the person gets introduced to Rotary. Today, if I'm a Rotarian, it's thanks to my youth exchange program that I went for in 1981-82. Benefits of a host family. There are many benefits that the host family enjoys. You know, your children living at home learn to live with an exchange student and learn to adapt to a different environment. Get motivated to learn a new language. We have students from Spain, Mexico, Brazil, Venezuela, Italy, France, Germany. Your family gets international exposure without leaving your own home. You get exposure to a new culture and outlook. You contribute towards world peace and understanding. And this is the best part of the Rotary Youth Exchange program, the cost. It is possibly one of the lowest cost youth exchange programs in the world. What is the cost? A round-trip airfare to the country that you're going to, health and accident insurance cost as per the host club district norms, all travel documents such as passport and visas, etc., clothing, miscellaneous day-to-day accessories and spending money, extra spending money because the student who comes here receives pocket money from the host family and the student who goes there receives pocket money from their host family. Emergency fund for unexpected expenses, ancillary travels, so people, when they want to travel within the country that they're going to, they have to pay for that, and any other deposits, fees as per the host club districts. The total cost of this particular program as on date, if somebody wants to send their children or somebody wants to send, I know of people who are even sending their employees' children abroad because this is a fantastic program, it's around 2 to 2.25 lakhs for an entire year's education. And you can imagine what a fabulous opportunity it is for people who can't afford to send their kids abroad to send them for a year and gain this cultural exchange and participate in the Rotary Youth Exchange. This is the cycle, July to September, October to December, January to March, April to December. I won't go into this, but once you are interested in the Rotary Youth Exchange program, you will automatically learn about the cycle. And a world of possibilities. A year away can't be measured in days alone. You will be gone for a school year, but the experience will enrich the rest of your life. And they say that you live an entire lifetime in that 1 year that you are on a Rotary Youth Exchange. Living in another country for a year is something most people never have the opportunity to do. Even if you have your kids abroad, and my daughter is studying abroad at the moment in California, USC, she's staying in the dorms. She's not staying with a host family. And the kid who stays with the host family gets attached to the host family, gets exposed to the culture, and that's fantastic. The hardest part will be leaving your host family. They will have shared in your adventure and learned from you as you will learn from them. I had an exchange student when I went abroad staying at my house. She was from USA, near Chicago. She was so impressed by Indian culture, she went to Sophia College, that she became a Hare Krishna, Hare Ram devotee, a Krishna devotee, and she changed her name from Jamie Wierzbinski to Gopa Sundari Devi Dasi. And she still serves in the Krishna temple in Chicago. So that's the kind of impact that the Rotary Youth Exchange has on lives. So connect with us at rye3140.org. It's got all the information that you require. You will hear, during this session, you will also hear from recent exchange students. I'm an old fogey. I went about 32 years back. Don't believe me, but you'll hear from the people who have gone recently on the Youth Exchange. And there's a host of information on rye3140.org or local Rotary clubs. For those who are non-Rotarians, you can connect with many Rotarians who are here, and they will happily sponsor you. Thank you very much. I think we'll move on to the next segment of our program, if they're ready. Can we have the next AV, please? Come on, guys. They deserve a bigger applause than that. Let's give them a big hand. Isn't it fabulous to see the color, the pageantry, and see these young kids from all over the world dancing to famous numbers of Bollywood? They worked so hard. It's amazing. I'd like to call on stage two exchange students who are the inbound exchange students, Alvaro and Mireya. Please come up on stage on that side. Let's give them a big hand, guys. They're going to talk about their experience.
Hi. Espera, ¿funciona? Check, check. Okay, okay. नमस्ते. अब कैसे हो? मैं अच्छा हूँ. मेरा नाम अल्वारो है. मैं स्पेन से आया हूँ. मैं रोटरी यूथ एक्सचेंज का स्टूडेंट हूँ. मेरा अनुभव बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे भारतीय संस्कृति पसंद है. मुझे भारतीय खाना पसंद है. जैसे वड़ा पाव, जैसे समोसा, जैसे पानी पूरी. मैंने दक्षिण भारत की यात्रा की है और मैं उत्तर भारत की यात्रा पे जाने वाला हूँ. भारत सुंदर है. भारत बहुत अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ आकर मैं अरे यार
That's because Bharat बहुत अच्छा लगता है, because of all that.
अच्छा. यहाँ कर मैं बहुत कुछ सीखा हूँ. जैसे थोड़ा हिंदी, थोड़ा मराठी, मला माहिती है. और how to survive as a local in this city. जैसे देखो. ओए बाया. यू तारा रोड मालूम है? हाथ चालू. बॉस ये इतने क्या है? और 500. अरे क्या बोलो आपको? बाबा 200 में चाहिए ओनली. आज चुप बैठ. तुम बकवास करो. Thank you. Well, I'll like to finish in English. Just about my exchange program. I think it's the most wonderful experience in the world. If you have any, all youth interested, please. I tell you that this is the best chance of knowing about any other country. Well, Mireya is going to tell you better because this is her part actually. So.
Well.
Thank you, thank you.
Namaste. My name is Mireya. I don't talk Hindi like Tora to survive in the rickshaw. That's all. I just want to say that the exchange program is the best opportunity that young people have to know another language, culture, and it's an opportunity to grow up like a new person. I was afraid to come here in India. Like, I'm a woman. They told me, "Oh, India, you're going to die," or something similar. And then I came here. I don't know. All the people is helping me. I'm sure that in all the countries it's the same. So it's that. Please, young people, not so young people, do an exchange program. Just travel and know more cultures and not only yours.
Yeah.
That's all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alvaro and Mireya. Let's give them a big hand, guys. Thank you. I'd like to invite on stage a recent exchange student who was the best exchange student of last year. She was an outbound, one of our own Rotary Club of Bombay peers, kids, Rotarians kid, Lamia Chittalwala. Lamia.
Wow, now this is a great feeling. Good evening, everyone, Rotarians, and guests, and all my friends in exchange right there. This is a wow feeling because, firstly, it's the first time I'm speaking to an audience that runs in thousands. And this is only and only because of the Rotary Youth Exchange Program. Yes, thank you. On previous occasions, I've spoken to children interested or planning to go on an exchange program. But today, the RY team has invited me to share my experience with all of you here, all you Rotarians that are first parents. And being a Rotary Youth Ambassador who's been an ex-exchange student, I would really urge you to send your kids, your grandkids, your friends' kids on this exchange program. I've got only a minute and a half to speak, so it's a little difficult to express this lifetime experience in just a minute. As parents, you've held our hand. You've guided us from teaching us how to walk, to talk, to protecting and shielding us from all of life's harsh realities. But I honestly believe that it takes a brave and a strong parent to let go and allow their child to live life on their own terms and experience life. I mean, you can ask my parents sitting right there. I'm sure they love the new me. Because owing to the amount of work I do in the house now, I'm sure my mom is going to get rid of that maid. India is a magnificent country. I don't even have to tell you about that. You know, we have so many cultures, traditions, so much to share. And I think the Rotary Youth Exchange Program is the perfect way to tell the world what India actually is, how amazing we are, how much color we have. And I only feel it's when we send exchange students to other countries and kids from other countries come to India, does the real cultural exchange happen. Exchange teaches you to accept yourself, but more importantly, it taught me to accept others and embrace others just the way they are. Today, I can proudly say that I love myself, and exchange has made me realize who I am and who I want to be. My name is Lamia Chittalwala, and I went on exchange to Belgium, and I couldn't be happier about it. You know, in Belgium, I had this crazy Italian president of my club who always had these witty one-liners. Sorry. But the one thing he always told me, which has touched my heart and has stayed with me, is that it's only the kids that are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones that go on exchange. Thank you.
Thank you, Lamia, for that wonderful. Before you go, please step on stage and let everybody see your many medals on your jacket. This is what all exchange students' jackets looks like. Thank you, Lamia. We have a Rotex president. Rotex is an association of past exchange students, Akash Joshi, who will also speak for a few minutes about his exchange and Rotex.
Hello, everyone. A warm good evening to all of you. Now, respected DG, the entire RY team, my fellow dynamic Rotarians and Rotarians, my friends, my exchange friends, and all the beautiful people present here. I will not take more than 2-3 minutes of your time. So let me just introduce my team first. I am Akash Joshi. I am the president of Rotex. I went to Brazil. That changed my life in the year 2010. She is the vice president of our organization. She is Jalpa Jain. She went to Brazil in the year 2011. And she is Rutuja Devre. She went to Germany last year and she is just back. And she's one of our newest members. She's the grievance director. You know, when I came back from exchange, there was a big void in my heart that I wasn't able to fill. But Rotex has helped mend it. They say that exchange is not a year in your life, it's a life in a year. But I would like to slightly disagree. I feel that after exchange, it is your new life that has been given to you. And it is only because of exchange. So let me ask you one thing today. How many of you guys here know about Rotex? I see 6 hands going up. Okay, I see 10 hands going up now. So let me give you a brief introduction about what this organization is all about and what we do. So Rotex is an organization consisting of past exchange students who have come together to help and assist the RY program. We are a bridge between the foreign exchange students who come to India and the RY program and the RY team. You know, Rotex is very nascent in India. It was formed only in 2004. And as of currently, we have more than 25 active members. Actually, the RY chair, Mr. Saif Qureshi, is also a member of Rotex. And he's the oldest member of Rotex, by the way. Our job profile mainly includes helping the foreign exchange students in India in every way possible. We make them feel at home, help them adapt to the culture changes, cultural shocks. In a nutshell, we are a friend, philosopher, and guide to all the exchange students. As well as, we organize skits and do outbound orientations for the Indian exchange students that are about to go to abroad, and help them solve their problems in their countries, as we have done them on a first-hand basis. What would you call a youth-driven organization consisting of more than 25 passionate youngsters who speak more than 15 languages? Yes, you call it Rotex. What would you call a group of ambassadors who have been and represented India on exchange and works with Rotary hand in hand? Yes, you call it Rotex. Guys, we in Rotex believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which is that the entire world is one family. We can call ourselves the messengers of peace and harmony and the beneficiaries of the Rotary Youth Exchange program. Yes, guys, we are from Rotex. Thank you.
Thank you, Akash. Let's give them a big hand, these three youngsters. I'm sorry we don't have time for any more. We are running short of time. So maybe in the later on part we'll see. Thank you. Let's have the next audio, please.
वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया
मैंने दिल तुझको दिया मैंने दिल तुझको दिया ओ रमैया वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया मैंने दिल तुझको दिया मैंने दिल तुझको दिया ओ रमैया वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया
प्यार की रोशनी तेरी आंखों में ये दुनियादारी न थी तेरी आंखों में ये दुनियादारी न थी
तू और था तेरा दिल और था तेरे मन में ये मीठी कटारी न थी तेरे मन में ये मीठी कटारी न थी
मैं जो दुख पाऊं तो क्या आज पछताऊं तो क्या मैं जो दुख पाऊं तो क्या आज पछताऊं तो क्या
मैंने दिल तुझको दिया मैंने दिल तुझको दिया ओ रमैया वस्तावैया रमैया वस्तावैया
जब ऐसे चिकने चेहरे हो जब ऐसे चिकने चेहरे तो कैसे न नजर फिसले तो कैसे न नजर फिसले जिंद मेरी
रुत प्यार करन की आई, ओ रुत प्यार करन की आई, के बेरियों के बेर पक गए, के बेरियों के बेर पक गए जिंद मेरी।
कभी डाल इधर भी फेरा, ओ कभी डाल इधर भी फेरा, के तक तक नैन थक गए, के तक तक नैन थक गए जिंद मेरी ये।
कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। आई हो कहाँ से गोरी आंखों में प्यार लेके, चढ़ती जवानी की पहली बहार लेके, दिल्ली शहर का सारा मीना बाजार लेके, झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान, हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान।
हाय रे हाय, ये मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ, नए जज्बात मेरी जा बल्ले बल्ले।
ओए 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 ओए, हाय रे हाय, यही जज्बात रहे दिन रात, तो फिर क्या बात मेरी जा बल्ले बल्ले।
ओए 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 ओए, जब से दिल में तेरी तस्वीर बनी है, यूं लगता है जैसे तकदीर बनी है।
जब से तू इस दिल का मेहमान हुआ है, जीवन में खुशियों का सामान हुआ है।
जितनी दूर नजर में डालूं चारों ओर बहार है।
हाय रे हाय, यही जज्बात रहे दिन रात, तो फिर क्या बात मेरी जा बल्ले हो बल्ले। हाय रे हाय, यही जज्बात रहे दिन रात, तो फिर क्या बात मेरी जा बल्ले बल्ले।
मच गया शोर सारी नगरी रे, सारी नगरी रे, आया बिरज का बाका संभाल तेरी गगरी रे। ओ आया बिरज का बाका संभाल तेरी गगरी रे।
जाने क्या करता अगर होता कहीं गोरा, जाके जमुना में जरा शक्ल देखे छोरा।
बिंदिया चमकाती रस्ते में ना जा, मन चला भी है गोकुल का राजा।
पड़ जाए नहीं पाला राधा से कहीं लाला, फिर रोएगा गोविंदा, मारेगी ऐसा फंदा, गर्दन से बांधेगी चुनरी रे। मच गया शोर सारी नगरी रे, सारी नगरी रे, आया बिरज का बाका संभाल तेरी गगरी रे।
Guys, that deserves a standing ovation. That was 9 minutes. Medley. Come on, everybody, up back on stage. All the students up on stage. Let's give them a big hand. 9 minutes, non-stop dancing. That's unbelievable.
Well done.
Even professional dancers don't dance for 9 minutes continuously. Let's give them a big hand.
Well done. Well done. Friends, that
Okay,
was an
all of you,
outstanding...
get your flags. I'm going to introduce you to these lovely exchange students. When I call your name, please step forward, identify yourself, and wave to the crowd, okay? I'm going to tell you the names. We have exchange students from 7 countries, 20 exchange students in all, 4 from Mexico, 3 from France, 6 from España, 1 from Denmark, 2 from USA, 1 from Italy, 2 from Brazil, and 1 from Thailand. So there is Eliezer from Mexico. Step forward, wave. Perrine from France. Jose from Spain. Alvaro from Spain. Alvaro M from Spain. Maria from Spain. Vanessa from Spain. Corentine from France. Emma from Denmark. Elio from Mexico. Edurne from Mexico. Elisa from Italy. Wow from Brazil. Veronica from Brazil. Clara from Spain. Fiona from USA. Camille from France. Ode from Thailand. And James from USA, whom you saw dressed up as a woman. Let's give them a big hand. And I want all these exchange students to step back a bit. I want to call on stage the fabulous RYE team that we have this year, without whom this exchange program and these students to manage would have been impossible. I'd like to call on stage my co-chair, Hima Dalal. I'd like to call my inbound co-chair, please come up in front. Inbound co-chair, Anita Shantaram. I'd like to call on stage, please come in front. My outbound co-chair, Naveen Podar. I'd like to call on stage Piyush Shah, the Rotex chair. This is the core team of RYE, my friends. We have 2 more people, a YPO, Vinay Vyas, he's here. Raman Abrola, advisor, is here. And Chetan Desai, a past RYE chair, is here. Please give these people a big round of applause for this wonderful program. Vinay, please come up. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
I'll request the RYE chair to join us here for a quick photograph. Yes.
I'm sorry, Ajay, I missed out something. To recognize the choreographers who choreographed this wonderful dance, Khushbu, Isha, and Swapnil. Imagine working with these 20 kids and teaching them. Let's give them a big hand. And she's 8 months due, my friends, and still she has choreographed. These 3 people have choreographed this awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you, my friends. Okay.
RYE chair, please come here. One more round of applause for this fantastic team and all our children, RYE children who have come. Thank you so much. You are not visible, so kindly come on the steps here and we can take a photograph together.
Yeah, come on the sides.
Come on the sides. Let's take a photograph together. Yes, yes. Wow, isn't that a sight? All these lovely children who have come and doing such a fabulous job here of bridging communities and bringing the whole world together. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, RYE chair. Seth, he's doing a lot of work this year. Thank you so much. Friends, we go on to the last session of the evening.